On Ireland's rugged west coast, where the wind sings through ancient dunes and the Atlantic crashes against golden shores, there's a golf course that stirs the soul as much as it tests the swing. Welcome to Enniscrone Golf Club, one of the purest and most awe-inspiring links courses in the world. Set in County Sligo, along the wild Atlantic Way, Enniscrone is more than just a round of golf. It's a journey through nature's masterpiece, dramatic, untamed, unforgettable. With the mighty ocean to the west and towering dunes rising like ancient sentinels, every shot feels epic. Every step feels earned. The course itself is a championship links, ranked among Ireland's top 10 and consistently praised by architects and players alike. The Dunes course, designed in its modern form by Eddie Hackett and later enhanced by Donald Steele, blends naturally with the land's original contours. No tricks, no gimmicks, just golf as it was meant to be played. From the first tee to the final green, the course moves through an otherworldly landscape. Narrow fairways framed by 80-foot dunes, blind tee shots, elevated greens, and sweeping views of Killala Bay. It's the kind of place where the wind shapes every decision, and the silence between shots speaks just as loudly. Signature holes? They're everywhere. The 12th, known as the Valley of Diamonds, is a short par 4 carved through massive dunes, both intimidating and utterly beautiful. The 16th, a par 5 framed by sea and sky, might be one of the finest finishing stretches in Ireland. And throughout, the course surprises with subtle elevation changes, strategic bunkering, and the kind of rhythm that only true links can provide. But Enniscrone is more than its fairways. The clubhouse is warm and unpretentious, with views overlooking the bay and service as genuine as the people of Sligo. After your round, share stories over a pint, soak in the sea air, and feel the quiet pride of a club that doesn't need to boast. It simply delivers. The town of Enniscrone itself adds to the charm. Cozy pubs, Atlantic seafood, and natural hot seaweed baths just minutes from the course. It's a place where Irish culture and coastal serenity come together, creating the perfect post-round atmosphere. It's an adventure, a place where the wind, the land, and the game come together in harmony. It's links golf in its wildest, most authentic form, and it's waiting for you.